Now in this video we will be looking at how to install Flatsome, that's multi-purpose responsive WooCommerce theme. So to purchase this script, simply go to your themeforest.net. Then next you search for the name of the theme, which is Flatsome multi-purpose responsive WooCommerce theme. This theme is just $59. Then next we add to cart, so and you fill the necessary payment stuff. After downloading your script, or that's your theme, you go to your cPanel, your dashboard. You go to your dashboard. So here is my dashboard. Then next I go to my appearance. Then next I click on add new theme. After that I will click on upload theme. Before that, look at this is the default theme with WordPress, so I'm going to upload theme now. Then as I click on choose file, download. So next I select my theme, that's Flatsome. Here is it. I click on open. Then install now. Next I click on activate, and then click on let's go. Continue. Create an initial theme. Continue. These are the default plugins that will make this theme to work very well. So I just continue. All the default plugins have been installed successfully. So I click on continue. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And for your theme customization, please use the engagement link to engage me to help you customize your theme. Install your WordPress website, install your theme, and anything about your WordPress website, use the engagement link. Or if you have any question, use the engagement link to engage me. Then we are going to sort it out. So if I want to change this logo, I want to put my own logo for my website, I can come here, upload new logo. But for this video I'm not doing that. Let me just continue. I click on continue. So I agree to the terms and conditions. So I agree and continue. So next, view your new website. So I have successfully installed my theme. For your theme customization, please use the link below, that's the engagement link to engage me to help you customize your theme, install your theme. And if you have any question, use the link below to engage me. Okay, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Till the next video.